What's up, guys? So we're here in Stockton, California. We got roll roofing, 25 pallets. Pretty simple. We're gonna do 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then 1 on each. We could do an extra, but since we're gonna tarp this thing, we're not gonna do an extra. Make sure to like that. So this is the second to last load on this truck. We're going to Indiana. And then after that, we're only about 300 miles away from Springfield. So this is just a transfer load, so I'm probably gonna pick up something from Gaff. This one we're gonna do 2 since it's... Where's this guy at? Alright, so we're gonna do 2 on this one. Okay, so pretty easy load. Nothing to it. So about 2 days ago, I stopped by the terminal, gave my dispatcher a gift card to tell him thank you. I don't know where this guy's at. Even though we don't agree on a lot of things, you know, didn't like waiting for loads and stuff like that. He still took care of me. Where's this guy at? Made me money. And that's all that mattered. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more straps. So 3, see how much I can carry. 4, 5, 6, 7. Can we carry 7 straps? I think so. There. Oh, you son of a bitch. There. Right here. Right here, I think one. Right here. I think that one hit the tarp up there. Only issue we're gonna have is looking across. All right, we'll figure it out. One's coming. I always see how far the winch comes out, just to see. This actual work right here. Some guys are asking, you need those 8-foot long V-boards. You don't need them. I asked them. They said that they band these 2 together right here. So, and then it won't fall back or forward because we're gonna put 2 straps coming down on this. You see these 2 bundles? So it keeps it squished in. It doesn't look like it'll roll out because, see, they got a band right here and a band back here. So we'll see how it rides. If we have to, we'll put an extra up. It's not a big deal. I think the only reason you gotta tarp these is to protect plastic. It's my only guess. People say it's rolled roofing, it's going to go outside, but more to keep the plastic to hold it from falling over. Once you rip this plastic, I've learned before, somebody tried to steal my road roofing before at a truck stop when I was taking a shower. Once you break that plastic, man, that road roofing won't stay up. So more than likely it's for that reason. And since this is really squared and really nice, it's gonna be really easy to tarp it. Won't take that long. So yeah, when I went to go see my dispatcher, kind of told him, hey, thanks for everything. I know sometimes we don't agree on a lot of things. You know, I am a little bit impatient. I don't like to wait long for a load. I like to go, drop off early, you know, next load. He told me I ran 10,000 miles this whole year, except for January. So if you guys do the math, it's about 2,500 average. So there was a couple days in those months where I did go home for like a couple days. There was a day where I got stuck on a Friday to go pick up, but I was in California and they wouldn't take me. But I got paid layover pay and hotel and all that. So there was days I had days off, but I still hit that 10,000. So kind of out here, you want to hit that average you want to average like 2,800 miles a week, but in the long term, like every month, you want to hit the 10,000. So it seemed like he was a little bummed out, but I don't know, couldn't tell. You guys know my dispatcher, he shows no emotion. Which is fine. I know he cares about me, you know, but he's just one of those guys that don't show excitement, and it doesn't bother me because he made me money, kept me running. That's all that mattered. And lately I've been kind of a little emotional about this truck. People say, like, how do you get attached to a truck? I said the same thing until I had this truck. People used to tell me, and I started thinking about it like these last couple weeks. You know, if you think about, this truck has got me through my first load, you know, it's got me through first winters, you know, getting stuck, you know, stuff like that. So this truck has been there and it hasn't broke down on me. You know, I've never been in the shop. The one time I was just because of a light harness. It was nothing issue. It's just, it was a recall on a light harness, and our lights kept going out, and they knew about the recall. They didn't have the part at that one in Phoenix, so it only took them like one night. I stayed at the hotel and they had it the next morning, so it wasn't a really, I was out of hours anyway, so it was not a big deal. Some people asked, I saw in the comment, to wear gloves. I don't like wearing gloves, but if I know I'm dealing with like steel, sharp stuff, you know, I'll put gloves on. I like the feel of no gloves. And I don't get a tan line. I've learned that last year. And that's why I told, I know some of you guys haven't watched all my videos, but I always say these are the best things because you can put the tarp over it, and all you have to do when you're wanting to tighten it is lift the tarp up just a little, put the bar in there and tighten it. With a 4-inch ratchet, you have to throw the put the tarp, throw the strap over, and then put the 4-inch ratchet. If you guys put the 4-inch ratchet inside the tarp, you have to lift all the way up here, go inside, and then crank down. So I always tell people these stake pockets are the best things because of this reason, and I just think they're tighter too. I honestly think these are tighter than the ones that we have on the trailers. Like, I feel I can make this thing pretty stupid tight. So I'm gonna come up there, put these edge protectors up, roll the tarps. All right, you guys. So 2 in the front, 1 on each. I strapped them right on top of this. Find one of these and strap it. Ain't going nowhere. These are hard. Let's see. That one I need to tighten. Oh yeah, you go get a safe pocket. So this, and just roll it. All right, climb up there. All right, kick it. Grab this. Should go off. All right, you flip it. I don't know if you're allowed to be up here. There's no rules. It's easier to do it this way. The reason I wear these Hey Dudes, I actually have better grip on where I'm walking than the boots, so I actually can feel it a lot better. If you want to call bullshit, that's on you. But I can walk on the side of the trailer like this to put my edge protectors, and I can feel everywhere my foot's stepping on. With the boot, really can't. All right, I want to stretch this right here. Take this one. Perfect. You want it right over that. It's really good. All right. So this is the one they fixed. So I really want to see what it looks like. If you watched my last video, I said I was going to fix this on my 34. I did not. I get really lazy on my 34s. Start watching shows, movies, video games. Before you know it, it's like 6 o'clock. All right. On this, you just take your time when you're walking on these products. You don't want to fall, so I always just take my time. There's no race on this. Okay, so they did some crazy shit on the fold. Let's see. It's interesting how, like, when you go pick your tarps up to get repaired, they always have some weird fold. Like, you can see it like folds in, folds on top. Yeah, I don't know. As I like that last video where I watched that guy, or helped that guy roll his tarps at the coil place. He had some funky, weird way of folding. Maybe I'm doing it wrong the whole time, but I don't know. It's perfect. See how that comes out? Perfect. All right, Cleo. Okay, when you stand here, try to pull this. There you go. I'm gonna get it to about there. That's perfect. That's exactly how I want it. You see, these are the D-rings. These were all jacked up, as you can see. Look at that. See this one? Just popped right out. So he did a D-ring. This looks really nice. I really like that better than these. But hey, I got one bad tarp. Good thing about my tee is they took care of me. That's all I could ask for. because I love their tarps. Can I get signed out?
Yeah.
All right, you guys, we just got unloaded. Our next load is my last load with this truck. Never had a breakdown, never had any issues, so we're gonna wait for our next load, and when you guys see the next video, it'll be the last time I had my truck. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay safe. Peace out.